guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to browse themes in Microsoft Teams on your Samsung phone. But first I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's jump to it. First, go to the themes. After that, choose themes. And after that, on the top right corner of your screen, click on the three dots, and here you can see the second option is browse themes. Click on that, and here you see that I have no data found, but click on this, and here you can type the name of the theme which you are trying to find. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.